Alright guys, let's get into this video. Sorry, I did say in the short that I was going to do a full-on review of the Adams Polish's advanced graphene ceramic coating. Unfortunately, I didn't catch any of the video for the install process due to the fact that my camera had died. So I did catch the after process of what it looks like and how it is. I will be giving a 14-day update when I do the first wash. Then from there, I'll be doing 6-month updates till about 2 years. And after 2 years, I'll be doing 1-year updates every spring for you guys. So let's get into this and let's show you this beautiful ruby red F-150. Alright guys, this is a completely clean and shiny truck. It's all coated completely front to back, top to bottom. You can see that reflection in that paint. Whole thing has been polished front to back. Wheels are cleaned. Sorry guys, I was going to do a full-on review and walkthrough of the Adams Polish's graphene ceramic advanced coating, but guys, I just wanted to get this done today. So here it is, completely done. I'll give you guys a 1 month, 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, and so after the first year it's going to be a every 6 month review of how the coating is holding up. But guys, this thing is absolutely beautiful. You can see all the reflections in the paint. It just looks dripping wet. It is completely coated. Now I just got to wait for the cure period of 7 to 14 days before I can wash it again. Given this has the CarPro release on it, because I do not park my vehicle inside. Unfortunately I park it outside at night. I wish I had a garage space, but garage is a bit of a mess. But guys, this is the 5-hour review. Looks great. I mean, it looks dripping wet, guys. Look at those reflections in that. That's crystal clear reflection. And it is just beautiful. Well guys, I'll give you guys an update in about 14 days when I go to do the first wash of how well it held up. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Do what you want to do. But come back next time and I'll see you again next video. Bye.